Rule 5 is the prepare the table for theta x, y and dy by dx. So here we have to take theta x, y, dy by dx, and here we have to take the 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so 0 to 2 pi point. So you can take here 0 pi, 2 pi, minus pi or minus 2 pi. But if we have to take the maximum point, so our curve will be, we have to trace accurately. Okay, so here we have to take 0, pi by 2, pi, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 2 pi. So how to find? See, for x, what is x? X equal to a into theta plus sin theta. If we have to put theta equal to 0 in the x, so 0 plus sin 0, 0. So we get the value of x is here 0. See, same for y. Here put theta equal to 0 again. So how to write here? A into 1 minus cos 0. So value of cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So we get here y is 0. Alright. After that we have to find for dy by dx. See, what is dy by dx? Is the tan theta by 2. So put theta equal to 0. That means tan 0 by 2. And tan 0 by 2 is 0. So tan 0 is 0. So in that way we have to calculate all values. After that, for theta equal to pi by 2. See, if we have to put here pi by 2, theta pi by 2 plus what is sin pi by 2 is the 1. That means 1 plus pi by 2 into a. So this is the value for a pi by 2. So a into pi by 2 plus 1. After that, for y, see, a into 1 minus cos pi by 2. But what is value of cos pi by 2 is 0. So 1 minus 0, 1. 1 into a is the a. So this is the value of y at theta equal to pi by 2. So y is a. So after that we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to tan. What is theta? Theta is pi by 2. So pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4. And what is value of tan? Pi by 4 is the 1. Okay. Similarly, again next point for pi. See, pi plus sin pi. What is sin pi? 0. 0 plus pi is pi and into a. So we get here a pi. Next for y. See, you again put here theta equal to pi. So cos pi is the minus 1. So minus minus plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into a. So here we have to get here 2a. After that, dy by dx. See, we have to put here pi. So tan pi by 2. And what is the value of tan pi by 2? Tan pi by 2 is the infinity. So you have to remember all these values. Tan pi by 2, infinity. See the next value of 2 pi. Again we have to put here theta equal to 2 pi. So what is sin 2 pi? Sin 2 pi is the 0. So 0 plus here 2 pi. 0 plus 2 pi is 2 pi. And 2 pi into a. This is the 2a pi. For y, see, put theta equal to 2 pi in y. So cos 2 pi. What is cos 2 pi? Is the 1. So 1 minus 1, 0 into a, 0. So y is 0. And next here again we have to put 2 pi in dy by dx. So tan of 2 pi by 2. So 2 get the cancel, we get tan pi. So what is the value of tan pi? Tan pi, it can be written as, see, we have to write down here tan pi. So this tan pi can be written as sin pi upon cos pi, right? And what is the sin pi? 0. Cos pi minus 1, but 0 by minus 1 is 0. So here again we have to get 0. See again for minus pi by 2. Here we have to put sin of minus pi by 2. Right. So what is sin of minus pi by 2? Means first we have to apply the result sin of minus theta. And what is sin of minus theta? See, sin of here x equal to a. We have to put theta equal to minus pi by 2. So here minus pi by 2. And here sin of minus pi by 2. But sin of minus theta is the minus sin theta. So this can be written as minus sin pi by 2. Alright. And here a into bracket minus pi by 2. And what is sin pi by 2 is 1. So minus 1. So what is the value of x at theta equal to minus pi by 2 is here, see, a into minus pi by 2 minus 1. Okay. Similarly, we have to calculate for y. Y equal, find y at theta equal to minus pi by 2. See, a into bracket 1 minus cos of minus pi by 2, right? So cos of minus theta is the again cos theta. So what is cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 is the 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 into a is the a. For dy by dx, we have to again put here minus pi by 2, right? So tan of minus pi by 2, see how to write here, dy by dx equal to tan of theta is minus pi by 2 upon 2 becomes tan of minus pi by 4, right? And what is tan of minus pi by 4 is the minus 1, because tan of minus theta is the minus tan theta. So we have to get here minus 1. Okay. Similarly for minus pi, see, again we have to put this minus pi into x. So x equal to a into theta plus sine theta. See, just we have to remember the properties here. What is the sine of minus theta? Sine of minus theta is the minus sine theta. And what is cos of minus theta? Cos of minus theta is the cos theta. So you have to remember these properties. This is very important for this table. After that, for minus pi, see, a into minus pi plus sine of minus pi. And what is sine of minus pi? It can be written as minus sine pi. But value of sine pi is 0, right? So a into minus pi. So we get here minus a pi. See, again put theta equal to minus pi in y. See, y equal to a into 1 minus cos of minus pi. But what is cos of minus pi? Is the cos pi. And value of cos pi is minus 1. So 1 minus of minus 1. So 1 plus 1 get 2 and 2 into a. So value of y is here 2a. So what is dy by dx? See, here we have to put minus pi. That means here tan of minus pi by 2 and tan of minus pi by 2. So what is the value of tan of minus pi by 2? Is the minus infinity. Okay. After that, see, otherwise how to calculate tan of minus pi by 2? See, again I will explain here. We have to calculate here tan of minus pi by 2. See, what is tan of minus pi by 2? This can be written as tan means sine of minus pi by 2 divided by cos of minus pi by 2, right? So what is sine of minus theta? Is the minus sine theta. And what is cos of minus theta? Is the cos theta. Okay. So what is the value of sine pi by 2? 1. And cos pi by 2 is 0. So 1 by 0, infinity. So this way we have to calculate. Okay. So what is the value of here? Minus infinity. Similarly, we have to calculate for at theta equal to minus 2 pi. Again we have to put here theta equal to minus 2 pi. So minus 2 pi plus sine of minus 2 pi. But what is sine of minus 2 pi? Is the sine minus sine 2 pi. And value of sine 2 pi is 0. So 0 plus minus 2 pi into a. So here we have to get minus 2a pi. See, for y, a into 1 minus cos of minus 2 pi. But cos of minus 2 pi is same as cos 2 pi. So what is value of cos 2 pi here? 1. So 1 minus 1 get 0. 0 into a is 0. So we get here 0. So for dy by dx, put the value minus 2 pi. So tan of minus 2 pi by 2. So again here 2 get the cancel. So we get here only tan of minus pi. And what is tan pi? Is the 0. So first we have to prepare the table for using this condition. Just you have to remember all these values. What is the value? See, you have to remember all these values. Sine 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Sine pi is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. Sine 2 pi is 0. Cos 2 pi is 1. And what is the value of sine pi by 2? Is 1. And cos pi by 2 is 0. So you have to remember all these values for this table. Okay. After that, we have to write a conclusion. So how to write? C is tangent. We have to write down the tangent is parallel to x-axis, y-axis. See, If the dy by dx is 0, so what is the conclusion? If dy by dx equal to 0, so conclusion is the tangent is parallel to x axis. Okay, and see, if we have to get the tangent dy by dx equal to 1, so we have to say that the acute angle with x axis. Okay, so here dy by dx equal to 0, tangent is parallel to x axis or x axis is the tangent itself. Okay, so up here, if we have to get dy by dx equal to 1, so this is the acute angle with positive x axis. And see, if we have to get here dy by dx equal to infinity, so what is the conclusion? The tangent is parallel to y axis. Okay, so you have to remember this result. If we have to get dy by dx equal to 0, tangent parallel to x axis or x axis itself. And if we have to get dy by dx equal to plus or minus infinity, so tangent is parallel to y axis or y axis itself. See, again here we have to get 0. That means here again tangent parallel to x axis or x axis itself. See, after that minus 1, here we have to get the acute angle with positive x axis, and here we have to get the obtuse angle with positive x axis. See, again we have to get here minus infinity. So what about for minus infinity? Again tangent parallel to y axis or y axis itself. So here again we have to get 0. So here tangent parallel to x axis. So in that way we have to prepare the table and write down all these conclusions.